Welcome back to our end of the market update, ladies and gentlemen, for this Wednesday, April the 21st of 2021. So the move out of today was in line with what we have been discussing in our videos. If you're in the Discord group, you'll know that 410.87 was a level of support that we have been looking at, all right, based on our updates and our chart requests that we've been going through and reviewing every single day. So 410 came in exactly at the low of the previous wave 4, all right? And so yesterday we were discussing the fact that we wanted to see support in that level. We wanted to see it hold, and if it did, then we would anticipate coming into today, we will anticipate a move higher. All right? And so that's what we got today. Okay, so let's review what is transpiring and what we can anticipate coming into the end of this week. If you guys want to join our group, there is a link in the description down below where you could just go on and sign up. Okay, and I hope to see you guys there. Otherwise, please subscribe to this channel, hit the thumbs up and the notification bell, so when I do upload these videos, you guys get notified. All right, so far it's been playing out as expected. Okay, coming off from the low March lows, we went up in 1 in the minute degree, down in 2, acceleration gap in the wave 3, ABC correction in the wave 4. Now, I know in yesterday's video, it's always good to have two alternate counts, right? They're both bullish, and I'll review the other one in just a minute. But this count here suggested that we held support and we went up higher. Now, I like this count and I prefer it obviously for the obvious reasons, but also looking at the correction and looking at the guideline of alternation, right? If I highlight this was more of a flat correction in the wave 2, all right, whereas this one is more of a directional move. So if you know Elliott wave guideline of alternation, it states that either of the two corrective pullbacks, they can't be the same. In other words, they can't be both directional or both flats, right, or sideways per se. Either one or the other has to be. And wave 2 is normally the one that goes in the flat correction, whereas the wave 4 goes more into the directional. So in this case, that's what we got, and so I like that because this gives me a little bit more of a conviction that this is the actual count. All right, and so yeah, here we are. Excuse me. So zooming in, all right, we sold off. All right, we corrected in 3 waves, and we held support at the 410. So this level held strong. We defended it, and now we're moving up higher. Our alternate count, however, suggested that this was actually, let me take you guys there. All right, and this is what I have a little bit of a concern, but I wouldn't put too much thought into this, but let's still review it anyway. Okay, so this alternate count suggested that we had 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 into wave 8. We were looking for a move. Actually, let me delete this here. We're looking for a move into wave B, right? And why I say it's a little bit of a concern to me is because that move into today's cash session was the actual 78.6, all right, which was the 416 spot 28 or 29, and the highs here was exactly 416 spot 29. So this I don't know if the markets are trying to give us a little bit of a scare here or concern. It's never that easy, but this if we don't hold support, or at the very least, if we pull back, right, in 3 ways and find support and then go on higher, I'll be happy with that. But if we continue lower, then I will direct our attention into this wave count, but it's unlikely. I don't think that's the case given what I just explained from our preferred interpretation, right? So just to finalize this count here, we have wave A, we went up in B, and we go down in C. If tomorrow or coming into the end of this week we fail to break above the 78.6. However, let me take you over to the preferred interpretation. All right, if I take you down to a 15-minute time frame, we can count 5 waves here. All right, not 3 waves. So that's why I'm not inclining more towards the other drawn out correction. So if we do a quick polyline, right, we do wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, so we can call this wave 1, the initial wave 1 of the final fifth wave. All right, wave 1, then down in 2, up in 3, 4, and 5. Don't worry about where we landed these other the other numbers right there. So let's focus on this. Okay, so if this is the actual count, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, then a fib retracement will take us down to anywhere between the 23 to the 50. All right, I will anticipate a more shallow retracement. All right, so coming into tomorrow or the end of this week, we should be able to retrace. Right, I mean, I'll be happy to see a break higher. That'll confirm this count, close this gap here. But if we don't and we end up falling, right, 3-wave pullback into the 414 to the 413, which is not that bad. I mean, it's what from the highs, from today's highs, it's actually about almost, oh, it is a lot. It's almost 0.5%. But look, right, pre-post market, it's already set and we're trending lower. So from the lows of today, of the pre-market or the future session, it's 0.5%, right? We'll see how the futures market behave, and if we are able to maintain, if we are able to sell off a little bit in the futures market and then ramp up higher into tomorrow, then this confirmation is set and we are going higher. We did set up a trade today for the S&P, and if I take you up to the 1 hour time frame, we can quickly review that. So our trade is taking us, it's an options trade, it's taking us out to May 5th expiration. Our strike price is 420. I did 420 anticipating that we will likely hit the 38.2 retracement in the wave, in any structure, any subwave. I mean, I guess it's the wave 2 or maybe wave 3 of this, of the substructures of the minute degree wave 5. Okay, so that's where I believe we can start taking our profits. Okay, we have some time now. We have until May 5th, so I do believe we'll get there probably sooner than that. Okay, and yeah, so that's what I see in the markets. I don't anticipate a further down into, you know, a more further down pullback into the wave 4. Once we complete this wave 3, right, we're gonna see the larger pullback in the wave 4, and then we'll go up into the wave 5 and so on. But until then, we'll just take it a wave at a time. We'll wait to complete this wave 5, the wave 5 of 3, and we'll take it from there. All right, taking you guys over to the triple Qs, or this the Nasdaq ETF. Okay, so we can count this as 3 waves up. So up in 1, down in 2, acceleration gaps into the wave 3, correction into the wave A, B, and C, right? Which we came in at a 23.6% retracement, okay, of wave 2 compared to wave 3. That gave us that retracement and that support line, and now you see that we are going up higher. If we do continue this rally in Nasdaq, I will put out a trade in the Discord group, all right, for us to take advantage to further upside in both the Nasdaq and the SPY. All right, guys, so that is it for tonight. Tomorrow we have earnings. Earnings continue tomorrow. I think Snap reports, which is one that I want to look at. Maybe I'll take advantage of any opportunity that comes after the earnings. I'd rather not play it, but we'll see what happens. All right, guys, so let's see what I have here in my notes. That's pretty much it. Again, if you guys want to subscribe to our Discord group and join the team, the link is in the description. We'd love to see new faces there. I think this weekend I'm going to try to do a video and give you guys a cool tour of the Discord group and show you guys how simple and how straightforward this whole thing is, right? And how we've been taking advantage using Elliott wave interpretation to take advantage of several trades that have been profitable for us. All right, guys, so with that being said, subscribe to the channel, hit the thumbs up, and I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.